guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have watched part 1 and part 2 of my travel vlog, and this is the third and final part where all the mysteries will be revealed, why I had to end the second part in such a hurry, and what happened, whether I found the charger for my phone or not, why were we called downstairs. Everything you will come to know in this part itself. So make sure to watch this part till the end, and I will catch you guys on the other side of this video. This is the dining area. तो अगर आप लोग यहाँ पे अम्बालिका में नहीं रह रहे हो, स्टे ओवर नहीं कर रहे हो, फिर भी आप लोगों को लंच या डिनर करना है या ब्रेकफास्ट, तभी भी आप लोग ये रेस्टोरेंट अवेल कर सकते हो. ये जो सामने देख रहे हो इसका एंट्रेंस है, आपको यहाँ से आना पड़ेगा. एंड इफ़ यू आर एक्चुअली स्टेइंग एट अम्बालिका, यू कैन कम फ्रॉम द अदर साइड. एंड दिस इज द एंटायर इंटीरियर. And I've just come and sat down, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is sanitizing my hands. And yes, I've been using this sanitizer for quite a long time now, and it does a very good job of killing the germs, plus it doesn't make your hand, rather the skin, that dry, and that's something that I really like about the sanitizer. And jehetu carrying je bottle ta khub choto, it's travel friendly, carry kora jay. So I'm waiting for the food to arrive. I'm pretty hungry. অর্ডার প্লেস করা হয়ে গেছে. সো আজকের খাবারটা ইজ গোইং টু বি সিম্পল বাঙালি খাবার, নাথিং ভেরি ফ্যান্সি. সো ইয়েস, অ্যান্ড অ্যাজ আই সেড অর্ডার প্লেস করা হয়ে গেছে বিকজ আমার বাবা আর কাকু অলরেডি চলে এসেছিলো, তো ওরা আগে প্লেস করে দিয়েছে অর্ডার, অ্যান্ড দে হ্যাভ অলরেডি প্লেসড অর্ডার ফর রাইস. আমি জেনারেলি রাইস খাই না, বাট দেখো বাঙালি খাবার, ডাল ভাত, ঝুড়ি আলু ভাজা আর স্যালাড. অ্যাজ আই ওয়াজ সেইং, আমি ভাত খাই না. ইয়েস, আই ডোন্ট হ্যাভ রাইস ফর লাঞ্চ. আই জেনারেলি হ্যাভ রুটি, বাট আজ আই গোনা বি হ্যাভিং রাইস. Not a big deal. Okay, I really love it. The best thing that I love is the simplicity of the food. Easy to digest, and yes, it feels good. Believe me, I was super hungry, and finally, yes, the food is in, but I am non-stop talking with you guys. And yes, my sister wants to know whether I want a bit more aloo bhaja or not. And okay, they have ordered something else. Okay, they have ordered a chicken curry. This is chicken. Yeah, I know it looks a bit red because I told them to make it a bit spicy. Generally, they do not add a lot of spice or doesn't make your food very spicy unless you ask them to. And my uncle and my father and my sister is going to be having mutton curry, and I don't love mutton a lot, so the other one was mutton curry, and I'm ordered chicken for myself. So I will show you the piece. See, this is the piece of the chicken. It's quite big enough, and it's very tender. It's just tearing away from the bone, and let's just taste it. It's super good, guys. Though I asked them to make it very spicy, they did not. They made it, thick-tack spicy. And yeah, I love the food. I'm going to be tasting a bit of the mutton also because they are asking me to have it. But I don't love having mutton that much. But I'll just taste it a bit. The piece is quite big enough. The mutton is quite soft. Yes, and yes, cucumber I love. खीरा बहुत पसंद है मुझे. So the food is good. Let me give you a tip. If you're 3 grown-up adult, order 2 bowl of rice. Okay, don't order more than that because the quantity that they serve is really, a lot. So this is what I'm having right now, and so don't order a lot of rice. মানে 2 bowl order করলে is more than enough. Yes, আমাকে আরেকটু আলু ভাজা দেওয়া হচ্ছে. This is my favorite thing. And yes, finally we have come out after doing our lunch. So now we are going towards the beach, and I will show you something. There is someone who has been following us. Look, yes, he decided to follow us, and now my dad decided to feed him. So see, yeah, this is what happens. This guy was following us. So ever since we came out from the hotel, he has been following us. Okay, you can see a lot of hotels out here as well that are very near the beach. Okay, wait, yeah. There's another hotel, there's another hotel. These are all hotels, and these are the roadside shops. You can actually get food like bhaja bhuji pabe, biscuits pabe, bhato pabe, and this is the shop from where we actually took biscuit for the doggo. He decided to follow us, and then my dad decided to feed him before we head on towards the beach. And now we are waiting. Let him finish his biscuits, then we will move towards the beach. Okay, let me go and let me wait. Okay, hi. Okay, no, he doesn't want to say hi anymore. He's busy having biscuits. So we decided to walk, through the marketplace. There's a lot of things you can buy from here: bags, shells, toys, anything. And the beach is still a bit far. We have a lot of walking to do. বিচটা একটু দূরে। এই গাছগুলোই তোমাদেরকে আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি দেখাচ্ছিলাম যে এইখানে, হ্যাঁ, দিস ইজ দ্য বিচ। এখন একটা ওয়াচ টাওয়ার মতন করেছে। সি, হি ডিসাইডেড টু ফলো আস। ইয়েস, হি ইজ গোয়িং টু কাম along with us to the beach. So yes, he is going before me. कोई नहीं, we will go. ये भी हमारे साथ चलेगा आज बीच में. So yeah, I am trying to walk past this area as fast as possible. It's a bit stinky, and this is the path we decided to take. Just look, and already sand has gone inside my... Okay, we have got two other doggos who decided to accompany us, and sand has already entered my shoes. And finally, here it is, the beach. But now we are... See, there are two more doggos, and actually we are trying to find out a place through which we can actually go to the beach. Okay, we finally found a place. Okay, we have to go from here. So I'm going to be very careful because I'm vlogging the entire time. I'm trying to be careful so I don't fall. Rocks everywhere. Okay. Wow, look, he's waiting for me. Such a cute little kid. Okay, this is the final step. Fine. Okay, I have also reached carefully. Yes, the beach. Finally. Okay, she is getting ready. I have to open my shoes. I will open it. Yep. I have a history of falling down, believe me. Yes, accidents. আমি সারাক্ষণ অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট করি, so I have to be very careful because আমি vlog করছি, so I don't fall down and don't hurt myself. So yes, let's walk towards the beach, and I'll meet you when I reach. Okay, so keep watching. Here you can see the reflection, right? Ektai problem. Oh my god, look who has accompanied us till the beach. Oh, chale asche, and he decided to sit. Okay, no water, no, I'm বসবো না. So the only problem এখানে দীঘায় হলো ঢেউগুলো খুব একটা বড় না, but otherwise it's okay. I'm enjoying a lot. Okay, I'm not really very good at taking these kind of shots, I'm sorry. Okay, so we are having fun, and I don't have my mic as usual, so if I, record it without the mic, खूप आवाज असतो. I had to record it in a different way. So I am enjoying myself and আমি বলবো না যে বিচটা ফাঁকা ছিল, বিকজ আমরা অ্যাকচুয়ালি যেই দিকটায় আছি সেই দিকটায় খুব একটা লোক নেই, বাট আশেপাশে অনেক লোক আছে. there are tourists everywhere and yes, Digha is never empty. If you go to Tajpur beach ekটু ফাঁকা হতো, but we don't have the time to go to Tajpur beach today. That's really pretty. Tajpur beach is really very pretty. So আজকে এইখানে আমি টাইম কাটাবো কিছুক্ষণ, তারপর we have to again be back on the road. So this is it. ওই তো ওইখানে দেখছো there are a lot of people. I told you it's not completely empty. Yep, that's it. Okay, actually I'm trying to get my sister in frame, but she is actually taller than me, so আমার সত্যি খুব প্রবলেম হয় ওকে ফ্রেমে আনতে. But I'm trying my best to get her into frame. But I hope if you enjoyed this video, if you did, do press the thumbs up button. And yes, I am enjoying a lot today. I actually came out after a long time and this trip was actually fun. Unplanned trip chilo, but I ended up having fun after a pretty long time. But okay, let me show you something. See, they decided to come along with us. They have been following us in Dakalam and now they are out here. So amaderke dakche, I have to go. We had to just come back because you can see it's already getting dark. So we were being called and I just decided to come up and vlog the entire way back as well. So this is the amazing route we are going to be taking back again, and I hope this time sand doesn't get in my feet shoes. No, it is going to. I'm going to try to vlog, but জায়গাটা খুব উঁচু নিচু, ঢেউ খেলানো, মানে খুবই বাজে রাস্তাটা. অন্য জায়গা দিয়ে যেতে হলে অনেকটা হাঁটতে হতো, তো we decided to take this way back and that is it. Please ignore the jerky movements. So I hope you guys watched this vlog till the end, and this was the third and final part. And if you enjoyed it, please share this video with your friends and family. And I am planning to travel more this year, and if I do that, I will surely make more vlogs. So please do share this video with your friends, press the thumbs up button, let me know in the comment section below your thoughts and if you have any suggestions. And till then, keep clicking with your soul. We'll meet you guys pretty soon on my next vlog. Tada, bye bye.